Alright, y'all. I'm fixing to mow the rest of this grass with this here mower. It's a Greenworks. And it's really awesome. It is so easy. And it does a great job. Now, I know you can't hardly even see out here how great a job it's done. But, well, you still can't see like that either. Okay. Well, here, I'll take you back here. And you can see how much better it does. I got a pretty big yard for, you know, a neighborhood yard. Okay, see, this is the part I've done mowed, and this is the part that ain't mowed. Okay, so, like, see, so it's pretty, it's tall in spaces. I mean, it really is. I mean, some of this is going to be weed-eated, but like this here, see how big this is? This is pretty big, if y'all can see that or not, but it is pretty, it's pretty tall. It really is. But anyway, okay, so I'm fixing to mow, and I just want y'all to see how good this thing works. I love this mower. Now, it's kind of a pain only because of the logistics of the cord. But once you get the logistics of the cord in order, in your, you know, so that you can do it, then it's a breeze. I mean, a real breeze. Okay, let's see if I can show y'all how to do this and hold the phone at the same time. Y'all know I can't do too many things at one time. Okay, here we go. Now this thing, oh Lord, okay. This is how easy it cranks, y'all. You pull this thing down. No, you don't. Okay. You push this here button, and then you pull this. So, anyway, y'all, I just wanted to show you how that little thing works. It works like a champ. So, anyway, I just wanted to give a good review on this little thing. It just works great. And it's very easy, very, very easy, and very lightweight. And you can adjust the settings. I got it on the lowest one, which is plenty good enough for my yard. You can see way on out there, that part's been cut and this part hadn't. But anyway, just saying.
So this is my personal review of the Greenworks 40 volt max lawnmower. It's the 16-inch 2-in-1 Greenworks electric lawnmower. So it's battery operated. And the unboxing is absolutely wonderful. UPS delivered the box. It was kind of heavy, yes, but it wasn't so heavy that I couldn't do it. I'm a little bit older. I've been mowing for over 20 years. I'm tired of all the gas fumes and mixing gas and heavy mowers that have to be serviced every year, so I thought I'd give this one a try. And I have about an acre of land, and I mow for a neighbor. This little lawnmower will be good enough for the season, and I think I might bump it up to the next size up. So I'm saying thank you, Amazon, even though I did call you and complain because I had a little bit of problems with the voltage and the speed of the mower at first. I think it may take a little bit of breaking in for the mower. The batteries are interchangeable. I bought other Greenworks products. I've had multiple Greenworks mowers. I had an electric one last year that was plug-in. That thing was awesome, by the way. It was a little bit small, but it worked when my other mower broke down. So if you guys are looking for an inexpensive mower that charges up quickly, it runs for about 45 minutes or so. It mows my 1 acre parcel of land like a dream. Thanks for watching, and Amazon got a thumbs up this time.
You press this button, and here I've got to do this with my arm now because and it dies. Let's try it again with a fully charged battery. Dies. It's not supposed to do that, but it dies. This is brand new. I haven't even mowed my lawn fully yet, as you can see. I gotta say, I love this little mower. I ordered it because I had given away my old gas mower. It was just cumbersome and not reliable anymore. I'm 68 years old. I was looking for something a little smaller and easier to maintain, and this is it. I have someone that comes in once a week and mows my lawn, but we've had a warm, wet spring in upstate New York, and my grass is growing like crazy. So this is a great way for me to keep up in between the professional mows. I've got it on mulch now. I don't have to worry about my dogs. There's no gas fumes. It's quiet. Easy to assemble. I'm doing my whole backyard on less than one charge. And I'll take a little after picture to kind of give a scope of what I'm doing here. So it's it's a nice sized little backyard. And this is easy. I can do this in 25 minutes or less. I hope everybody enjoys this green machine as much as I do.